So that's it, Lizami. Hello guys! So tonight, pagluluto tayo ng fried rice at ang special ingredient natin ngayon ay yung rutabaga o turnip. Something turnip siya. Basta rutabaga ang pangalan at para siyang sayute pala. Napakasarap sa fried rice. At samahan niyo ako, lulutuin natin ang ating fried rice. So guys, here's our ingredients for our Asian style fried rice. We have here onions because I like a lot of onions. On a this onion, lisami, por not ingredient, yan na buko, paski jem buko. On a di rutabaga, on a carotte. Me tupuan libi rutabaga, si just paski jem buko rutabaga. Rutabaga si come on, chose the turnips. I will add rutabaga because I have a lot of rutabaga. And we have here some garlic, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon oil, and we have 2 eggs, and we have shrimp, and our cooked rice. So that's our ingredients. And especially we have this sesame oil. Yeah. We will add that like at the end of the cooking process. Okay, so we will start. So here we have our egg. We will just beat that one. We will add some salt. And we will add some black pepper also. So we add already black pepper and a little bit of salt, and then we beat like that. So this is our beaten eggs, and here is our pan. Actually, we need to fry first the egg, so I will need another 1 tablespoon of the oil for the rice. Okay, so it's there. We will just wait to be reheated. So now we will put now the egg. And after that, we will reserve cooking. We just do like that. But we need to separate. Oops. Okay. And then we will set aside this one. Lisami, lizup. Reserve, okay. So again, now we will fry a little bit our shrimp. I will need another little bit of oil, just a little bit, because I have a dark. My pan is dark, so no need a lot of oil in there. So now we are adding our little shrimp. Just like that, and then after we will reserve. So my friend, since my shrimp are already cooked, I will just fry this one a little bit. And actually this shrimp, I already add some soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. And then after this one, I'll just fry a little bit like that. And then I will set aside. Okay, it's done. And now I will transfer in a bowl and set aside that one. Here, my friend, we are adding our oil. Then we will cook our onion. Okay. So now I'm stirring our onion. And then after this, I will add the garlic. It seems that our onion is already cooked. Now I will add the garlic. Put your garlic there. Après les oignons, ajoute the July. mélange ici tout. So now we're adding our rice. Then we stir. We just add our rice. Okay. Like that. We just stir that one, and after that we will add our soy sauce. So we just stir all of this one, and then we will add our soy sauce. Add it like that. Maybe we don't need all the 2 tablespoons. It depends. I take. You will see. Okay. Okay, so we will add all the rest of the soy sauce. And then we stir. And after that, we will add our rutabaga and carrots. We stir that. Stir. And the heat should be high. I put it level 7. Okay, this is stir. And now we're adding our carrots and our rutabaga. And then we stir that one. We will mix. So now I stirred already, and then we will cover and then we will lower the heat. Okay. So les amis, à ce moment, on va mettre le couvert et baisser le feu pour que les carottes va cuire. Et après ça, les amis, on va ajouter notre egg, des œufs et de crevettes. So we are adding our egg and shrimp, and we will add dash of sesame oil, like a little bit, just like that. Ici tout, c'est fini. On va mélanger ça. Okay, we will off. Okay, it's done. We will just mix that one, and our fried rice is ready to eat. Alors voilà, notre frit, c'est fini. On va manger. So our fried rice is already done. I just add some parsley on top, and then we're ready to eat. So that's it, les amis. Notre frit, c'est vraiment bon. Puis bon appétit. Oh my cat is very hungry already.